Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And me, Blown, and Jeff. Oh shit. I gotta go pick up something right now. Oh man. So we picked up some rear seats for the Celica the other day, and we took it to go get reupholstered, and we're gonna go pick it up right now, and so I'll show you guys when we get there. So here we are at Magana's auto upholstery, and it's here at Marina Valley, and we're gonna go in and check it out, see how the seats turn out. So yo, we just got the seats, and check it out. This is how they look like. Damn, what you think?
I like it a lot.
Damn, they look good. Look at that. We got this design right here done, and he fixed them up really good. And there was a big old rat's nest hole right here that he fixed for us, so it looks really good now. Yeah, that's good, man. Okay, so I'll show you guys when we get back home a little more detail, and we'll actually put it in and see how it looks like in a Celica. So here we are, just taking out his old carpet, and we're gonna try to put the rear seats in. Is it just hooked up on Velcro?
No, it's like glued.
Oh shit. So here's the seats though. They look really good. We chose this net material, weaved in, and then just the black leather. Looks really good. We'll see how it looks like inside. Hopefully it matches.
Yay. No, you're not even gonna need this.
Yeah, but just see if it'll hook up on top.
Get up. Oh, that's right. Jesus.
Oh, you have to rip that off?
Yeah, you're gonna probably need to have it.
Oh.
Somewhere in here. I was looking at these. Like,
what is all that? Fuel pump?
probably, but it's just like exposed. Look at that shit.
Yeah, you have to clean that up.
Look at that, man.
That's probably nothing.
These probably got plugs from another car to help.
You could probably turn that to a kill switch though. Oh, here he has one, huh?
Tuck him back up.
Just tuck him into the hole. Yeah. Here.
Now you can take it to a show.
Damn.
Gotta be able to win something.
Most customized.
Mediocre in show, not the best in show. Good enough.
So here they are. Damn, it looks good. Damn, so there's the seats. We also got this today.
What the hell?
Got a Tomei Shift Knob.
For real, Sam? Sam, for real?
That looks good. So we just got this for the Celica.
For real?
It's a brand new Tomei Shift Knob. We haven't even put it on the thing yet. But these feel pretty good. I really like this shift knob. Here's the Tomei cap. We have to put it on first. But these aren't that heavy. I wish it was a little more weighted. But man, I really like the size and the feel of it and the look. So there it is. Put this in here. Yeah, look at that. Brand new shift knob as well. With some brand new seats for the rear. Pretty cool, man. Damn, it's pretty comfortable. These are nice. I like the feel of it. He's probably not gonna really have anybody back here, but let me know what you guys think about these seats, and I'll probably end the vlog here. So if you haven't yet, don't forget to go hit that subscribe button down below and let me know what you guys think about the seats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.